Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are just plan to cover the topic Microsoft Intune Enterprise Application Management. So what is the learning objective today we are discussing? What is Enterprise App Management and Enterprise App Catalog and demo how to we can create the Enterprise App Management in the Microsoft Intune portal. So we will go for our learning objective. First we will discuss for Enterprise App Management. Manage and deploy application effectively and securely across your devices, and it simplifies the process of discovering, adding, updating and deploying the applications, and it support both Microsoft and third-party vendor. And what is the benefit of using Enterprise App Management? And is like a streamline app management, discover and add app directly from the Intune console, and it's reduce the complexity by streamlining the app management processes, and stay current with the updates, and use Enterprise App Catalog with update reports, and keep up to date by easily creating app for the new version of the product. And what is the license prerequisite? Enterprise App Manager add-on and Intune suite. So we will go for the next slide. Enterprise App Catalog, the collection of prepackaged Win32 apps that have been designed and prepared by Microsoft to support the Intune, and it contains both the Microsoft app and third-party apps. So we will go for our demo. Enterprise App Manager, install the Firefox web browser. So then you can easily understand what is the EAP, Enterprise App Management. We will go for our Microsoft Intune portal. So now I reached my Microsoft Intune portal. So what's the first step? We need to enable the Enterprise App Management. So first you need to go for the tenant administrator. Then go for the Intune add-ons. Either if you have Microsoft Intune suite, it's already inbuilt the EAP remote help, like all the remote help, Intune plan, and endpoint privilege management, Enterprise App Management. This is included for the Intune suite. So if you don't have the Intune, you can separately activate the add-ons. But to here, you can see here Enterprise App Management. So Microsoft Intune Enterprise App Manager enable to IT admin to easily discover the package apps, deploy them and keep them updated using securely hosted enterprises. If you need to learn more things, just click this one, you will get the more details. So after that, if you need to add the details, you can option here. You need to trial, you just click the view details and enable the try your by the Microsoft 365. Currently I already enabled, so I just go for my license now. So here you can see building your licenses. So currently I enable the Microsoft Intune Enterprise App Manager. So we will go for our admin center. So after you enable the Enterprise App Management, you can go for the apps. So after you enable, you will get the Enterprise App Catalog with the available update option is here. So how to we can add the app on the device. So I need to go for adding the app. You just go for the all apps. Then after that, you just click add app. Then you just go for the other option. You can see here Enterprise App Catalog. Just select Enterprise App Catalog. Here you can get the search the Enterprise App Catalog, find apps you would like to add your tenant. This app come with the pre-filled. If you need more information, you can get the more information from here. Then after that, select. Then you can search your app. If you currently whatever the app will be support, you can go for here. You can check whatever the app support currently. See currently Microsoft will be support for this all apps. So if you need this apps is available, you can choose that one, and only support for the list of these apps. Okay, so I just go for searching Enterprise App Catalog. Then I will search for Firefox. So here you can see Mozilla Firefox. So if you just click Mozilla Firefox, then click next. So here you need to choose your package, what package you want to configure. So I just go for I need to Firefox English. See English. You can see here Firefox English x64, and the package will be only support for the x64 actively, not support for the x32. So we just select for the Firefox English US F4, then select. So currently you can see here your package already supported, and description also you can get, and publisher. So this all settings is pre-configured from the Microsoft Intune portal. You no need to edit anything. If you need to edit, you will be careful, otherwise the app will not be what. So here you can see publisher, app version, category. You want to select the category, you can choose from here. Whatever the category you want is not a mandatory. And show this app feature app in the company portal. If you want, you can select for the yes. Currently I'm not going to choose. Then here you want to add the select logo, you can add the logo, and information you are, privacy you are, and developer owner you can add. Currently I just go for the default. Then after that click in next. And here you can see installation command, uninstallation commands, and installation allow, available, uninstall, installation behavior. All the information is here. This all behavior will be coming from the default. So just we will keep on that default. Then click in next. Requirement, operating system architecture. You can see here 64-bit. Then minimum operating system, Windows 10 160 package, build version. So here all we will go for. Then we will click next. Detection rule, manually detection rule, manually configure detection rule, or rule for use a custom detection. So they already configure, the rule is here. Then we will just go for click. Then after that, here you need to ask the inmate. So what we, if you have required group, if available for enroll the device and uninstall. Currently I want to add the group, so I just create one group here. Create one group. So security group, I will put EA, Enterprise Application Management group, EAM group. Just I will put. Then after that you need to assign dynamic user or dynamic device. So just to go for here. Currently I just go for the previous programs. Install behavior system based. So I just add the system device based group. Just go for here. Assign, then member. I will choose the device SAM, select, then create. So after that the group is created. So just we will go for here. Then we will go for assignment. Then we will add the group. Then we can see search EAM group. We create the EAM group. So just go for the EAM group, then select. Then you can see here EAM group is here. You can see end user notification, show all the notification available as soon as possible, installation deadline, restart grace period, and delivery optimization. So all the details you want to edit, you can edit from the details from the here. Also the notification and everything you can do it. Currently I just go for next. Then after that I just add up. So you can see here Firefox English USX64. We create enterprise app policy. So just we will you want to check the property, you just go for the property here. You will check if you need to edit, also you can edit. So EAM group, currently filter and filter mode, all the detection rule and everything is here. So just to close this one. So it take a little bit time to, so we need to go for the SAM device. So just I will open my virtual machine. So now we reach our SAM device. We just go for login the SAM device. So after that you can go for your control panel. You can check uninstall program. So here you can, currently we don't have the Firefox application. It take little bit time to complete the install, provision our Firefox application in the user device. So we will just go for waiting for a little period of time. So now you can see here the notification Microsoft Intune software Firefox was installed. So we just go for again our control panel. Just to go for uninstall program, you can see here my Mozilla Firefox installation is completed. So you just search again Firefox. So just open this browser. So now you can see your browser is working. So now you understand how to we can enable the enterprise app management through the Microsoft Intune portal. So now after finish, we will go for now again in Microsoft Intune portal. So now you can go for enterprise app catalog with app availability update. So after you finish your you can see after you finish your update, you can go for enterprise app catalog with app with available update. You can click this here. Here you can see all this report include the list of enterprise app catalog app offered to the enterprise app with the update. So here will be app name, publisher, provision name, and all the detail will be displayed. And recently update information take a 20 minute to update. And also you can go for the monitor device. And here you can also get to the your all the monitor enterprise app catalog with the app with the update. You can go for here also you can get the report. So currently I just go for what all apps. Then you can go for here your Firefox application before installing, but it take little bit time to complete the device installation is showing here. So previously I will install one application, so I will click that application. So here you can see same like device status and user status all will be display here. So now you understand how to we can use for the enterprise app catalog and how to we can install enterprise app catalog in the our devices. So currently I wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.